When you remove the mixing bowl and pop it back on, you may find that you'll see the orange part on this side and it hiding behind the black part on here. If this is not put back properly, this will leak into the machine. So you must ensure that you can't see the orange on either side when you replace the mixing bowl. Another common fault is that you can alternate the mixing bowls. We advise that you don't do this as there's a restrictor on the coffee mixing bowl. They are not interchangeable. Another fault is that sites can remove these plastic tubes. Again, we advise that you don't remove any of the plastic tubes from the mixing bowls. However, should one of your sites do this, it's quite easy to fix. On the side of the mixing bowl, you'll see a letter, either L, C, or R. This correlates to the left, the centre, or the right on the bottom of the mixing bowl and tells you which one you should put the rubber tube back onto.